Princess signing the birthday card.
Did you get a picture?
I tried to. She said, I want to sign my grandma's birthday card. Happy birthday to you. She won't let Duke write on it.
There you go. You did grandma's star. And let me. Oh.
She's not going to let you sign the card. There, sign the card, Princess.
Watch this. Gotta hurry up a second.
What, Princess? I got you on camera. What you gonna do? Just letting you right now.
You know what I say? Let me go ahead and hurry up.
I'm gonna get America's Funniest Videos one of these days if I can catch some of the stuff they do on camera. I'm always a little slow. She says, what are you doing? She says, you're still on this card?